Hey guys, welcome to Sonance here, back in another video. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a house drop like Skrillex and Again did in these tracks. Including these elements.
Keep up the vibe now.
So first we're gonna dive into the drums. Skrillex, his house style is really groovy compared to other bass house songs. The real difference is the use of all the groove elements. So he uses a lot of snare drums, a lot of closed heads to really create a lot of groove in his tracks. We'll be using this kick, clap and open head to create a basic drum loop. Sounding like this. So now we're gonna add some more groove to it. First we're gonna add a snare to it. We'll be using this snare from the new Chemicals pack. So place it right here. Quantize it to get it slightly off the grid. Sounding like this. Already give some more bounce to it. So now we're gonna add a closed head to it. So we'll be using this sample. Now let's dive into the MIDI. First one gonna be in front of the first open head. Second one gonna be after. Third one before the open head again. And the last one gonna be on the kick. So then we're gonna quantize it again to get it up the grid. Sounding like this. Which already sounds really dope, but we're gonna add some more bounce to it. So we're gonna add a tom sound to it. So I found this percussion sound. Let's drop it in. Place it just around here. And besides that, I just added this crash fill to it. And a snare roll as well. So altogether, the drums sound like this. We got the drums ready, so now we're gonna dive into bass. I got this new Serum loaded up. So select a preset from the pack. We'll be using this one. It's inspired by the Again track Jungle. I think it's a really dope bass line, so let's create a MIDI. The track will be in D minor. So let's start off on the root note. Then go up to the dissonant note and to an A. Back to the root note. And a dissonant note again. Duplicate it. Then we're gonna make a little variation to it. Going up some more. One octave up. And then back to the third note of the scale. Then we're gonna duplicate it again. And make a small variation at the end of the bar. So we're gonna go down to the A sharp, the sixth note of the scale, down to the seventh, and back on the dissonant. Giving kind of a ending vibe to the melody. So that's it for the melody. Now we're gonna mix it. So we just got rid of all the low ends in the bass. So we're gonna add a separate sub to it. Select another preset from the pack. Sounding like this. And just simply copy over the MIDI. So all together with the kick, the bass sounds like this. We got the drums and bass ready. So now it's time to dive in the vocal. Fred again uses quite some African or Jamaican influenced vocals. So we're gonna pick one from the pack. We got a few vocals in the sample pack.
Best believe this is really
For
the rap.
example,
I'm
this
chill,
one.
when I'm riding and rolling, shit down. Keep up the vibe, keep up the vibe.
But we're gonna use this one.
Mash up the place, no we can't stop now. Keep up the vibe now.
Just drop it in and fit it to the sample. We are working in D minor, so we have to push it down 3 semitones.
Keep up the fight, keep up the
Something
fight
like
now.
this.
Mash up the place, no, we
Giving
can't
a
stop
darker
now.
vibe to
Turn
it.
up the volume loud, the only way is up, so we can't turn
So
down.
now we're gonna mix it.
Keep up the fight, keep up the fight now. Keep up the fight, keep up the fight now. Keep up the fight, keep up the fight now. Keep up the fight, keep up the fight now. Keep up the fight, keep up the fight now. Keep up the fight, keep up the fight now. Keep up the fight, keep up the fight now. Mash up the place, no, we can't stop now.
So we got almost all the elements ready with a vocal, bass, drums. It's quite minimal actually, so I only added 2 ambiances to it as well. This one and this white noise. So I think it turned out really dope. Let me know what you think about it in the comments as well. Besides that, if you like the video, please drop a like, leave a comment, hit that subscribe button, and I see y'all in the next videos.